So now I'm going to show you how to upload a paper to the ASP Conference Series paper management system. I'll start by logging in with my username and password that you would have created when you accepted the invitation for your paper. When I've logged in as author, I may see a dashboard with some milestones for a particular paper. In this case, I'm going to choose a paper that I have, a test paper that I have in one of the volumes. I happen to have more than one volume that I've been invited as an author to contribute to. You may only see your particular paper coming up on the screen when you start. But here is a dashboard showing the status, and you may have been worried about having clicked these buttons and having them even before you're done with those. Please understand that that's just for you to keep track. We can look at them as well. But the most important thing is you can either go to here to submit files or invite co-authors, or if you otherwise want to know about the submission details, you can look here. If I want to edit the paper, I select the paper from the list here, and then I hit the pencil icon there, and this will bring me into the paper edit pane. And within this window, I can edit the information about my contact information. First of all, you can add a co-author here if you want to, but the part you want to look at right here is the adding document button. This is the same place you would have gone to if you'd pushed that add document button from the dashboard. You have here the opportunity to say, give the file a name. This is not the name of the file, but this is a tag that you'll see in the window that'll tell you what it is. So be descriptive here with what you want the file to be, and then you can look on wherever to find your text file, your Word file, your images, things like that. So I just uploaded a manuscript file, and it says the document was added successfully. If there's bad characters in the name or the title for some reason, that may not work. Then just make sure those file names are correct. Let's say I'm going to put a figure in there as well. Choose a file for the figure. There's a figure. I'll put it in there as well. And I might also upload the copyright assignment form using the same techniques. If I have figures that I need to have permission to use from some other copyright holder, that's where you'd also upload these files. And then when you're done, if you make changes to this part, you can hit the Save Paper. Otherwise, you can hit Close. Go back to the dashboard. Paper submission, files uploaded. Click that, and off you go.